Hey YouTubers, it's your girl Miss Rachel Adina. So ladies, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm low-key skincare and hair care goals. Low-key body goals, high-key family goals. So I hope you enjoy this video and all the videos to come. Please hit the notification button to get more content like this. Subscribe if you're new to this channel and also hit the like button. So ladies, I've been busy doing some quarantine activities, what I like to call quarantivities, because I got a lot of time on my hands, a whole bunch of time on my hands. And I really had to think about the different things that took a back seat when life was so busy, like my hair, my skin, my multivitamins, the different things that I'm drinking and consuming throughout the day. So ladies, I want you guys to comment below. What are the things that you're doing during this coronavirus pandemic? What are your quarantivities? Are you taking your vitamins because you should? Are you having some form of a drink? I mean, beets and turmeric juices and powders and teas. What are you doing? So what I'm doing, I am using this Teami green tea, and of course Miss Rachel Adina is coming with the discount codes. 25% off, or if you spend $25, $29 or more. And they have so many different things to choose from. There is detox teas and skinny teas. There's this green powder, which I knew that my diet needed because I do not eat salad. Your girl does not eat salad, she doesn't like it, but this is a great way to get in your raw greens. So I drink this every day, sometimes every night. Another thing that I've been doing is I've been taking prenatal vitamins. I need them. I'm trying to grow my hair. This is the best kept hair growth secret. A healthy body is healthy, beautiful, thriving hair. But most importantly, why I'm here today is to show you guys my hot oil treatment. When was the last time you did a hot oil treatment? It's been a minute, probably about a year. So we're gonna get started. My hair is sopping wet, dripping down my back as we speak. So let's get this thing going. So today we are going to be anointing our heads with oil. I'm gonna start off with my avocado oil, then I'm gonna go to my jojoba oil, not too much because I mean it's expensive. And then I'm gonna go to my olive oil, which has been a tried and true staple in my hair care regimen. So these frizzy roots is what I'm actually trying to treat. Some of my favorite oils include jojoba oil right here that I got from Trader Joe's. I do not believe this is cold pressed, but I looked online further to decide whether I wanted to do cold pressed or not. And I found that this particular jojoba oil is exceptional as a nighttime serum and a face moisturizer. So I needed those things too, so I decided to go for the one from Trader Joe's. And Trader Joe's has great prices on oily products. My second favorite oil is avocado oil. This is a cooking avocado oil. It is expeller pressed, and that basically means that it's brought up to about 250, 275 degrees to heat it up. Things that are very processed, the heat is much higher, going all the way up to maybe 500 degrees. And so just as long as you can get something that is unrefined, cold pressed, or at least expeller pressed is really good. So I also wanted to use this to cook because I've never used avocado oil to cook, but I've heard that it tastes really good in your dishes. Much better. Much better. So a great tip that I learned when you do a hot oil treatment is to put a little bit of a deep conditioning cream on top of the hair. You don't even have to go throughout the roots completely, but do it at the ends and around the perimeter of your hair. It helps really hold the oil in place instead of having it dripping, as you can see it right here. So I'm just gonna just go just like that. And it will literally stop it from dripping down your face so much. You'll still have a drip if you did a hot oil treatment right, but it won't drip as much. So I'm gonna just use this headband to catch some of the oil, and I'm gonna put my bag on so you know it's real. Then I'm going to sit under the blow dryer for about 20 minutes tops. You don't want to stay under too long. You want to make sure this is something attainable for you to do every 2 weeks so that your hair is repaired and you've gotten rid of the frizz and dryness issue. So I'm all done. I'm excited to see the reveal, see if my curls immediately changed or if it just might take a couple of treatments. So let's do it. I am actually really loving this. Like, I did not detangle my hair or do anything. Popping. I'm loving it. I am so loving it. My roots look really good. Look at that. Oh, see my edges growing back, you guys? See all those little hairs growing back like sprouts? The shine is really good. As you can see, the parts and the scalp looks so nourished and healthy and treated. So I think I'm just gonna do like some twists and rock a twist out, and I'll let you guys see how that goes. I'll probably make it into a video. But ladies, I really appreciate you watching this video. What are your core activities? So what are you doing during this quarantine to better yourself, better your body? Honey, I'm talking working out, yoga, dietary supplements like MSM powder. I never used it. Have any of you used it? I want to know that you guys are taking care of yourself during this quarantine. I really appreciate you for watching this video. God bless you. I love y'all so much. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification button for more like this. Love you. Bye.